Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the process of digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is the process by which the complex food item is broken into smaller food items or the smaller particles that can be easily absorbed by our body. So what comes next is the process of excretion. You all know in the process of digestion, the undigested food material comes out from our body through the opening called as anus, right? So there are various type of ways that are present in our body, and it is also very important to remove those waste from our body. So the process of excretion helps in the removal of the waste that is formed in our body. Do you know, students, how many types of waste forms in our body? Very common example, sweat. You all see that sweat comes out from our skin, the pores that are present on our skin. Next excretory, the waste that comes out from our body is carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide is also a kind of a waste material, and it comes out from our body with the help of our lungs, right, students? Then the third waste material that is formed in our body is the urine. Yes, and urine is released by the urinary system. The fourth type of waste that is formed in our body is the stool, the feces. So that comes out with the help of the excretory system. So now here we'll discuss about the urinary system. The kidney, the ureter, the bladder, and the urethra, these four organs form the urinary system. Now you can see all here in the example, the diagram that is given below here. The kidneys are the pair of bean-shaped organs. You can see in the diagram there are two bean-shaped organs. They are known as kidneys. So what do? They help in the filter of the harmful waste and the excess of salt from the blood. So they filter the harmful waste and excess salt of our body, and they form urine. And this urine is collected in a sac-like structure. You can see here, students, here is a bladder. It is a sac-like structure, and it is also known as urinary bladder. The urine from the kidney gets collected into this bladder with the help of these two thin tube-like structure. You can see here on both the sides of the kidney coming out from the kidney. These are the two thin tube-like structure. They are known as ureter. It helps in the flow of urine from kidney to the bladder. Here this urine is collected, right? The urinary bladder stores urine till it is released from our body, and a thin tube like called urethra lets out the urine from the bladder and out of the body. So with the help of this thin tube that is known as urethra, the urine comes out from our body. One main important thing is here, do you know column? You can see, students, 70% of our body is water. Drinking plenty of water every day helps our kidney to perform well. So kidneys plays a very important role in our body as it filters the harmful waste from our body. And you all know that our body is made up of 70% water. So as much as water you can drink, it is very good. Now comes to the healthy habits related to excretion. Drink plenty of water. It helps to flush out all the toxins and poisonous substances from produced in our body, from the body in the form of stool, urine, and sweat. So you should drink plenty of water. That helps to flush out the toxins, the poisons that are formed in our body. Include fruits and green vegetables, roughage in your diet, because the fiber, the roughage, it helps in digesting the undigested food of our body. It helps in flushing out the undigested food from our body. Next is go to toilet regularly. Clean yourself after using the toilet and wash your hands with soap. Exercise regularly. So these are the few healthy habits that are related to excretion. So in the next video, we will discuss the healthy habits related to digestion. Thank you, students.